Hey y'all, today we're going to be making some deliciously creamy chicken enchiladas. To our medium-sized mixing bowl, we are adding one 16-ounce jar of Pace Picante Sauce. I am using the medium spiced, and one 8-ounce container of sour cream. Go ahead and put that whole thing in there. Now 1 full can of cream of chicken soup, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and 1 soup can of milk. Give that a really good mix with a wire whisk until nice and smooth. Now we're going to go ahead and start off with 2 cups of chopped up rotisserie chicken. We're going to go ahead and add 1 cup of our soup mixture into our chicken and 1 cup of Monterey Jack cheese. Give that a really good mix until well combined. Now go ahead and grab yourself a 9 by 13 inch baking dish and add some of your soup mixture to the bottom of your dish and spread that out as even as you can get it. So now we're going to go ahead and make our enchiladas. So grab yourself some medium-sized flour tortillas and grab some of your mixture and place that right dead set in the middle of a tortilla shell. And then we're going to go ahead and fold that up and then place your enchilada into your casserole dish seam side down. Now we're going to go ahead and continue making our enchiladas until we run out of chicken mixture. Now usually I will get about 8 enchiladas with this recipe, but this time I only got 7, and that is perfectly okay. You can add as much or as little of your chicken mixture to your tortilla shells as you wish. Now we're going to go ahead and add the remaining sauce to the very top of our enchiladas. So now once we do this, we're going to place some aluminum foil to the very top of your dish and bake in a preheated 350 degree oven for approximately 40 to 50 minutes or until your sauce is nice and hot and bubbly. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, y'all. Until next time, bye-bye now.